We all have used dictionaries to look up the meanings of words, whether it is for homework, writing, or just curiosity. But have you ever wondered how you can create your own dictionary app? In this video, we'll take a fun and easy journey into the world of programming by building our own very simple dictionary app using Python. So imagine being able to look up the definitions of the words just like in real dictionary. This project is designed to be simple and easy to understand even if you are new to programming. We'll walk through the code step by step, explaining each part in simple terms. By the end, you will have a working dictionary app that you can run in Google Colab, which is a popular online Python environment. So whether you are a coding enthusiast or just curious about how technology works, let's dive in and create our own dictionary app. So let's get started. Well, this is the Python code which will create a simple dictionary app, and this app will allow users to look up the definitions of words. We'll use a predefined dictionary to store the word definitions and basic input-output operations to interact with the user. You can run this code directly in the Google Colab. Here, the step 1 is to define a dictionary to store word definition. Well, this line will define a dictionary named dictionary to store word definitions. So here, the dictionary has words as keys and their definitions as values. Next, in the step 2, we will create a function to display the main menu. Well, this function will display the main menu and prompt the user to select an option. Then it will start with printing a welcome message. After this, it will print the menu options. So if this choice line, so this line will prompt the user to enter a choice and stores the input in the variable choice. Then it returns the user's choice to the caller. After this, the step 3 is to create a function to look up a word. So here this function allows the user to look up the definition of this word. So here it will prompt the user to enter the word and convert it into lower case to ensure case insensitive matching. Then it will check if the word is in dictionary. Then if the word is found, it prints the definition. If the word is not found, it prints an error message. After this, step 4 is to create a main function to run the dictionary app. Well, this function will run the dictionary app by displaying the menu and handling user choices. So here it will start an infinite loop to keep the app running until the user chooses to exit. Then this calls the display menu function to display the menu and gets the user's choice. So if the user selects option 5, it calls a lookup word option. Otherwise, if the user selects option 6, it prints a goodbye message and breaks the loop to exit the app. Otherwise also, if the user enters an invalid choice, it prints an error message. Next, the step 5 is to run the dictionary app. Well, this line will call the run dictionary app function to start the dictionary app. Basically, this is the entry point of the program where the dictionary app simulation begins. And after running this code in a Google Colab, it will say welcome to the simple dictionary app, and it will say whether you want to look up the word. Yes, and I have written here apple, banana, cat, dog, and elephant. I want to check whether it can tell me what is the definition of apple. You can create dictionary as per your choices by changing the values here. So here I have asked for the apple and it has given me the definition. It's a fruit that grows on the trees. And after this, I can come out of this loop by entering 6. And that's it. It has stopped working. And that's a wrap. Building our own simple dictionary app using Python has been a fun and educational journey. We started with a basic understanding of how dictionaries work and gradually built a functional app that can look up the definitions of words. By breaking down the code into simple, understandable steps, we have made this project accessible to anyone regardless of their programming experience. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, I hope this project has shown you the power and simplicity of Python in creating practical and useful programs. You can now run this dictionary app in Google Colab and even expand it with more additional features like more words, a user-friendly interface, or even an API to fetch definitions from the online source. Keep exploring, keep learning, and happy coding. Thank you.